Google Gemini just released their new Flash model. Their new Flash model is supposed to be a lot faster than their original model, the 2.0. But not only that, it's able to also have images. Check it out.
Raindrops fall so soft at night on the streets through the night. Puddles form and clouds are gray. It's a quiet, rainy day.
As you seen in that video, you saw that they were prompting Gemini 2.0 Flash to give it a recipe, but it also added images, which I thought was a pretty creative use for the image generation. And it really had a mix of the images being generated and the instructions. So not only can you chat with Gemini, but as you're chatting, you can also put in images. So this really helps you out, especially if you're trying to learn or have different things that you're trying to research. It can give you images as different points of references for your learning and understanding. For example, I can't cook really much of anything, but having images for what Gemini is talking about adds different points. Even adding audio maybe later on would be pretty good. It was this person who put a picture of themselves up from Twitter, and they said, show me this person eating ice cream, and it had this person now having an ice cream cone in their hand. Not only that, they use that same image and it says, now show me riding a horse, and it had this person riding a horse without the ice cream cone, might I add. Somebody also put a picture of Ichigo, which is from an anime called Bleach. It's a very popular anime, but if you don't know about it, it's pretty good. I recommend you watching it. The prompt was, color this image manga style, epic colors, like anime fight scenes, bold colors. And they did pretty good. Not only that, it may seem like they have references of Ichigo or anime or public figures in the training, and I'll show you later on why I think that. But in this image right here, they colored Ichigo in the colors you would think he would have. Using a black and white image, I don't know why they wouldn't think Ichigo's hair is black or white or blue, or why his sword isn't all black or all blue. They use color schemes from the anime, which is pretty good, but also kind of scary if you think about it. Here's a person where they're selecting the Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental version, which is the version you need in order to use the image generation. That's the newest one. And they have them accepting it, and then they put make her give heart shape with her hands. And as you see in the video, they have heart shape. And the next one was give her thumbs up, which even in not the best English, I would say, they still understood what this person was saying and made the lady give a heart-shaped hand pose and then made her give her a thumbs up hand pose. Both pretty good though. Also, this is from Furin, which is a popular anime, like a slice of life anime. Definitely recommend this one too. They had her with a mute expression, and then it says make her angry, and you see the expression down there was her gawking, very baring her teeth nasty, which is pretty good, and they kept it really consistent. Also was able to generate one using the AI Studio, which I'll leave a link down below if you want to go check it out. I put create an image of a Dragon Ball Z character named Goku, and they was able to do it. Also, I said make Goku go Super Saiyan, and it wasn't really much of a change between that image and the other image, but the fact that they knew who Goku was and was able to draw Goku, I think that was pretty interesting because, well, how did they know about Goku? I guess it would have to have been trained on Goku or anime in general, just like you saw in that Bleach example. Also extended it more, and I said, can you create a picture of the rapper Drake? And they were able to put Drake in the picture, but what I found interesting was that they didn't really make Drake a new picture. It was just Drake, but in the same kind of art style as what they made Goku, and they made Drake like a Super Saiyan, which is kind of funny. But then I didn't just stop there. I put add Kendrick Lamar to the photo, and now you see Kendrick Lamar in the photo at the bottom, which is kind of funny that you put both of those together. But it's interesting to see that they know who not only Goku is, but they know who Drake is in Kendrick Lamar, and they were able to make pretty accurate depiction of both of these. I think this is gonna be a game changer for a lot of different AIs because image generators are already pretty good, but also having them integrated within just one particular GPT or chat GPT or AI is just so much better. Instead of you have to go back and forth, you can constantly talk to it and it refine it. So you can, if you're trying to make ideas, you can refine the ideas, draft the ideas and iterate on the idea all in one place. I think this is pretty cool. If you want to make maybe some photos with me, just comment down below live. And if you want to keep up the latest and greatest AI news, you should definitely like and subscribe. With that being said, your boy Dex Not Dexter out.